Jumatatu nirio mwandiki munene wa KNUT uria uri hatikaini Wilson Sossion arahagurirwo ni kanjo nene ya kiama kiu na handu-ini hake Hesbon Otieno araheo giturwa kiu. Na ona thutha wa mutaratara ucio Sossion augete gutiri kundu arathie na kuonania ati ndenyenyetio ekinya mambura-ini ma muthi wa aruti a wira akiuga ararugamirira KNUT.
I am the Secretary General Kenya National Union of Teachers, duly elected by the teachers of Kenya.
Sossion akinyitwo baru ni mwandiki munene wa ngwataniro ya ciama cia aruti a wira KNUT Francis Atwoli.
To get somebody to be in parliament to articulate your issues and issues related to workers. Sossion will stand with you. Kama hawaelewi, we will make them to understand.
No aria marahirwo iturwa wabici-ini njeru no marenda Sossion atie itua ria arutani.
We have seen even CSCs, cabinet secretaries stepping aside. When you are mentioned and you're told, okay, there's a problem, graciously, respectfully step aside. If you'll be found innocent, you'll come back. If you're found guilty, you remain. You don't continue shouting. You don't continue chest thumping. I'm elected Secretary General. Yes, you are. You are elected. Who said no? But you have a reason why we are saying you are suspended for now.
Hesbon Otieno, uria ukuoya ithenya ria Sossion, ni orite Atwoli atige kuigirira maundu megie arimo na onake akoria Sossion akinyeja.
Tuache sarakasi. Tuache vibwembwe. Na tupatie nafasi sheria iliyoko katika katiba yetu ifanye kazi.
Mweri wa Januari, Commission ya kwandika arutani TSC ni yeheririe Sossion giturwa-ini kiu ni undu wake kwamurwo ta Mubunge wa ODM. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Muthoni wa Mukiri.